Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm the Convalescing Soul, and we are going to read this cool new oracle book. We're going to go through all the different ones. I think there's like 68, so it's pretty decent. It's by Colette BARON-REID, and it's the Spirit Animal Oracle. So for all of you animal lovers out there, everyone who kind of connects to animals, knows who their spirit animals are or their spirit animal is, maybe this is meant for you. Shall we begin? Number 1, ant spirit, time to collaborate. Like what sticks out to me initially, just when I looked at this, is like the little puzzle pieces. Putting the puzzle together. Excuse me, ants are really cool. Very hard workers. They can carry something like, is it like 100 times their own body weight? Not me. I don't think I could even lift a quarter of my body weight, but anyways. I gotta start doing weights. Here's a message to hit the gym, right? Okay, spirit animal, time to collaborate. Here is your oracle message. When ant spirit comes to visit, it's time to celebrate the benefits of working in a partnership with others as part of a community or tribe. Spirit reminds you that to build your dream, you need to work with others, accept help, and trust in your most important partnership, the one you have with Spirit. Your intentions will come to fruition if you remain awake and focused on co-creating your reality with others and with Spirit. Remember that the world around you can easily seduce you if you don't have some sort of practice or discipline like meditation to keep you on track as you build the life you desire. Connecting with others and having accountability partners can be very helpful, as it is unlikely that everyone will fall asleep at the same time. The other message Ant Spirit holds is that you are now at an auspicious time to ask for help and receive it. Whether you need help assembling a team, finding a new tribe, or requesting assistance from others who are there for you. Everything is working out to support you right now. Here's your protection message. Do you really believe that you have everything to do yourself? Let me say that again. Do you really believe? Okay. I messed up. Do you really believe that you have to do everything yourself? Do you believe that somehow any help you get will be disappointing or not good enough? Perhaps it is time to address your issues of control and bias toward the negative. It doesn't matter where or why you came to be pessimistic or mistrustful. The fact that Ant Spirit is showing up now is a sign that you have an opportunity to heal and reclaim. Just kidding. To heal and relearn to trust that others will show up for you in a genuine way. Ant Spirit wants you to remember that your expectations and limiting beliefs are a vibrational offering that draws in the opposite of what you desire. Spirit wants to help you and will send collaborative partners your way. It's time to see the universe as conscious and connected, loving and helpful. But you must participate in this activity of co-creation. Creating reality is not just about dreaming. If you are feeling orphaned from community, reach out and communicate. If you feel vulnerable, know that being present in your vulnerability can help you draw in someone who wants to assist you. Trust in your partnership with Spirit, and your outer conditions will start to reflect that. Then you will see the miracles waiting for you, including partners who appear ready to lend a hand. Great message, great reminder. I hope those of you that needed to hear that today find it. Much love and blessings always.